The 1200-meter race is on its way. Billy the Kid shows alertness at the start, moving up on the outside. Surprise Call, then followed by Strategic Manila. Katotohanan racing in fourth, down in fifth, Juliana's Pet. Sydney Boy moving up on the outside, followed by Bebot. Swerting Lorky Pass approaching from the outside. A Star of Manel second last, while Apple Green is the tail under, rounding at the 600. Billy the Kid still out in front by about a length, pressing up on the outside. Surprise Call. Katotohanan moving up by Sydney Boy on the outside. Strategic Manila, Swerting Lorky with Billy the Kid still leading the field. Katotohanan moving up down on the inside. Sydney Boy on the outside by the rail. A Strategic Manila and down the stretch and leading the finish line. Billy the Kid back to 3 lengths lead over Katotohanan, Sydney Boy, Swerting Lorky, Strategic Manila, and finally, Billy the Kid, Swerting Lorky, Strategic Manila, Sydney Boy. Then comes Surprise Call, Star of Manel.